How to delete search history in Chrome on Android. Want to clear your search and browsing history in Chrome on Android? I am Rose, and in this video I'll show you how to do it step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Chrome app on your Android device. Tap on three dots at top right corner of your screen. Now you need to select History to view your browsing history. So these are all your search history or browsing history in Chrome on Android. You can easily select delete browsing data at top left corner of your screen. Now, here you need to check mark cookies and site data and cached emails and files. Now you can easily check mark browsing history as well. Select the time range at top right corner and you can choose last 15 minutes to all time. And then you can tap on delete data at bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can select the delete icon at bottom right, and after that you can confirm. You can even delete the individual entries, which is optional. And to remove the specific website, you can tap the X next to each entries. And that's it. You will now successfully clear all your Chrome search and browsing histories on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.